Rare photos. Pizza Hut menu from 1984, like a time capsule of toppings. This Lego Saturn V set has 1,969 pieces. A couch, made entirely of bricks. Spots on this egg look just like a globe. Airport uses Xbox's Kinect at check-in baggage. Beautiful yet oddly creepy icicles grew on the house this winter. Made a resin crystal with 2 intertwined mushrooms. This twisted piece of driftwood found on the beach looks like nature's sculpture. I went to a puzzle factory and they had a wall of shame. They have pet carts in grocery stores in Italy. My little plastic animals casting shadows. Discovered old newspapers used as insulation in the walls of a 130-year-old house. A letter to humans of the future on the site of Iceland's first dead glacier. This bit of street art is only visible when it rains. Extremely realistic artwork of a cat at a train station. This Italian cafe uses a stock graphic design for their signage but forgot to change the wording.